Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Rio Mare rice and tuna salad. So it's got beans, peppers, and carrots. So there we go. And we're going to open up and do a quick taste test. There's a nutrient panel. And ingredients are right there. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here we go guys. Let's do a quick taste test right now. It's got beans and rice. The rice is kind of hard. The beans are pretty good. It's got a nice flavor though. It's really tasty. But the beans are really hard. So, I mean not the beans, the rice. Other than that guys, it's pretty good. Really flavorful. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. And it does have some heat to it.